So hi guys, it's me Crystal, and today I'm here in my home province of Surigao del Sur, but currently I'm in the town of Lanusa. So as you can see, it is a view deck. Kita na to sa view na ako. Diba? Ang ganda. So you can actually like visit this place via, car, motorcycle, kasi sementado naman yung daan. The best time to come here is in the morning para magkape, kasi like they have really nice cottages. I will show you later where you can, have coffee or hang out with your friends, or like what my brother is doing. They're having their prenup shoot. Diba? And then yung So ayun, if you decide to visit Surigao del Sur, this is one spot na masasuggest ko talaga. Like different view, hindi naman always beach yung nandito sa amin. You can try to explore other places like katulad nito, mountain view. So this is awesome.